Stay tuned and watch till the end.
Hello guys, welcome to Josh Tech. We'll post tricks on how to do things, especially technology. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to get active organic followers on Twitter. I know this might be hard or somehow strange for you. Like in a day, doing this, you can actually get 500 organic followers in a day. I don't mean using follow train. Follow train is it's not actually advisable. Follow train, the thing about follow train is most of the followers you get on follow train, they don't actually stay online. Like they only come for followers. So now I'm going to start. This is actually my account. I got this account in let's say 2 3 months. I opened this account in 2018, but it became active as of this year. So I stayed going from January till now, and this is the amount. Before I made this account, I had less than 100 followers before I got the 6,000. So the number one thing you should take note of is what are the type of people you want to follow you. Which particular set of people do you would you like to follow you? Is it people who have high sense of humor, or people who just like to get involved in a conversation, or people who love music? So I actually have a high sense of humor. I'm a football fan, and also um I I take heed of them. Like first, what I do is follow influencers which I relate with. Like one of the influencers I follow Vox. I know most of you on Twitter might know him or will have come in contact with any of his tweets. I follow Vox. So in order to get followers, I know most of you will like, how will influencers give you followers? Here's the little trick. He has 196,000 followers. Wow. Wow. So I turn on his notification, like it's already on, you can see. So I turn on his notification. Once he makes a post and he drops it, once he tweets, 0 seconds, I get the notification. I come online, or even if I'm online, I see it. Like these are the influencers I turn on their notification. As I see it, I click on it. Although now he hasn't really tweet. So once I do this, you just see 0 seconds. In less than 1 minute, he might have 50 likes. So I open these likes and I follow each of these people. So let me check. Let me see if I can get any influencer I'm following if they have made any tweets. Note, you must turn on your notification in order to get the tweet immediately they drop it. So let me see if I have anyone which turns on which has made any tweets as of now. No, no. Ah, this is gonna be bad. But wait a minute. Wait. Ah, okay, okay. I just saw Danny Water. He made this tweet 2 minutes ago. It likes. Let's go and see. This is a little bit slow, but let's see another one if you can get. If you can get. Okay, just hang up. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere because what I'm about to show you is the most serious trick here. Yeah, I finally found him, Samuel Umba. Like Umba is very popular on Twitter because of his bald head, which everybody knows. So now look at this tweet. Even if you just use laughing emoji, you see it has like 6 likes in how many 30 seconds. So now what I do is I open the 6 likes and I don't know if I followed some of them, but I said open the 6 likes, 7 likes. Okay, okay. You see them? I start following. I start following continuously. Now the little trick about this is not everyone I follow me back. I know you should be aware of it. Not everyone I follow me back. But one thing is sure, if I follow 100, at least 50 should follow me back. Then most of you will be asking, what then happens to the rest? What happens to the rest followers? Like the ones that doesn't follow me back. 20 likes. Okay, wait, I'm going to explain that to you. Just hang, keep on. And mind you, if you haven't subscribed, hit it now. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be giving you more videos like this. 25 likes, I go again and I follow. I even like most times. I might decide to retweet as well. So 29 likes, I go back, not for it to refresh, and I come back. 29 likes. Okay. Okay, I believe this should be okay for now. This is under 1 minute. This happened under, okay, 30 likes. Let me see if I follow that. No. Uh-huh. So when you're done with this this part is very important. I urge everyone to keep on watching this video till the end. Like every part is juicy. I follow again. Then this this is what clues. Like I believe you're going to get surprised now. Let me show you. Let me show you the little trick. Okay. Let me show you the little trick. My notification. You see, 80 others followed you. Just imagine there's little amount of followers I followed. You see, you can see them. It just happens like you think it's magic. And now the most surprising thing is that these followers are very active, like very, very active, unlike the ones you get from follow train. So I'm going to show you how active they are. I'm going to make a post and you'll see in a minute I should be hitting close to 5 likes. I even you see most accounts with 29,000 followers and they don't have engagement. But watch this. Let me make a tweet. What should I write? Okay. What what are you doing now? Just hang up. How are you doing now? And there we go. There we go. There we go. 1 second. Everybody keep calm. Let's watch this together. 1 second. We go. One like. You see? 1 second, one like. Okay, 14 seconds now. You notice I've not even liked the post myself. But just watch. Now, if you view tweet activity, you see the impressions you've gotten. Let's just view. So this is what you won't see any other place. I'm showing you my secret. 5 impressions under seconds. So 2 likes, 38 seconds. You see, this is how active. What haven't you noticed that most times when you use follow train, you tend to follow and you follow them, they follow you back, but you make a post and you don't even have a little engagement. Okay, there's 8 seconds. Counting. Okay, let's refresh and see what happens. Uh, 2 likes. Let me like it. 3 likes. Check tweet activity. 19. That means 19 people have seen this post and I've gotten just 3 engagements under 1 minute. So think about you extending it to 1 hour and the amount of engagement you make. Okay, let me show you, go down to show you some of my old posts that which I made. And okay, this one I had 298 likes. But let me show you a casual post which I made that you won't think that I will make any like from it. Okay, I just told them which song are you listening to now, and I made this post around, this should be late in the night, and I got 227 likes, enough engagement. So I don't know, this 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 is the main thing most influencers don't tell you, and most people with enough followers, they won't tell you. This is their secret. So I don't know if I've solved your problem, but one thing I beg you, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Oh, you can see more followers, uh, more engagement. Just click on the subscribe button. You see what I do now? They're replying me. Click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'm going to be teaching you more more of this, like more secrets which you haven't come in contact with. All I need you to do is be active and hit that subscribe button now. Thank you.